Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Home Depot INC. Now this is one of the top line stocks, or one of those stocks which has given you a steady return of nearly 2300% since, or from the lows of 2008 to the highs of 2021, and right now we have seen a correction of nearly 36%, 35 or 36%. So this is one of the trends, or the kind of trends we must look into, because the overall format is on the upside and you will buy any kind of big dips that the market is giving over a period of time. So that's why we are looking at this particular stock. So let's start analyzing the weekly chart of Home Depot INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So what the trend is saying is the big question. Okay, what the trend is saying is the big question, and we are not going beyond the trend or beyond the range. So here we are, this is the upper end of the range that we are looking into, and this stock has not violated the peaks that it has made in the last you can say 14 years, or from the lows of 2008. So this is we can call it as a safe zone. Now as far as the lower end of the range is concerned, so this is what we have here, right? This is what we have here as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. So the trend is very clean and clear. You need not to do anything extraordinary to find out where it is going and what's the kind of levels that you are looking into as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. So this is what we are looking into, right? Now as far as the trend, what you can see here is the big buying zone, or the big support level, or the stop loss that you are getting here is $220, where you can find your support, as well as if you want to buy this stock, or if you're looking to buy this stock, then this is one of the levels that you're gonna look at it as your best buy zone, okay, for Home Depot INC. Now there are two most points which you need to remember after this, because one must not go below $220. That's also a fact, because $220 is right. So your support as well as your stop loss, because if the stock of Home Depot goes below $220, then the next range of support that you're gonna find in this particular stock chart is going to be, or is in between 160 and 146. So this is going to be your next buy zone as far as the support or stop loss is concerned, below $220. Okay, so but you know, in this kind of stock, 30-40% of correction, and even if it comes down to 220, then it will be a 48% of correction, which is extremely big correction, okay, for this kind of stock which is giving you a steady return. And if it comes down to 146, it will be a 64% kind of correction. So this is going to be eventually big. That's why 220 is we can consider as a safe zone. So anyways, there are two ways to look at this buy zone, and the reason for considering 146 or 160, or considering this range, is because the kind of market we are into, there are some mishaps that can, fortunately or unfortunately in this case, happen, and the market can do what it can do best. So market can remain irrational till the time you are solvent, and once you are getting insolvent, the market will started moving higher. So that's the basic nature, and that's the kind of experience people do have. So anyways, whichever may be the support from where the stock started moving higher, so the target we have in the upcoming years will be in between $500 and $730. So the probability is, okay, there are two probabilities. It may bounce back like this, or it may bounce back like this. So we don't know the situation, but what we do know here is, whenever it bounce back, and from wherever it will bounce back in between this specific zone, we know the upper end of the range as far as the upcoming years are concerned. So this is what we are looking at as far as the long term chart of Home Depot Inc. is concerned. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.